Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the icon notification dots from your home screen in LENOVO 10e Chromebook. So as you can see, I have notification dots on the 2 Accounts app and the Gmail, and now I'm gonna show you how you can hide it. In the first tab, open the settings, then type in the search bar notifications, and as you can see, you have an app badging, so just switch it off. All the switcher that you want to turn off the icon notification dots. Like here. Now just go back to the home screen. As you can see, notification dots disappear and you will not see them anymore on your home screen. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.